Cheers.
Cheers.
Yes.
Happy Sunday. Cheers.
Happy Soulful Sunday, everyone. We are here cheering to life, cheering to love, because, as I say all the time, I am very powerful. I am very strong, right? And I am light, I am love. So today we are going to be talking about
the power of our words.
Yes. What does it mean to you when you say I am?
What it means to me by saying I am, it's setting the word, it's opening doors for me. Like, for instance, as you said, I am strong. I know I am strong. I'm going to go over this. I know it's challenging, but I have faith. I believe in myself. I'm putting it there that I am strong, that I can do it.
Absolutely, because I do believe that, when you put the word out there, you may not see the results, but because you are claiming it ahead of time, right? Then you start working or walking that talk, right?
Exactly.
And then so by the time that you look back, you're like, oh my goodness, I am doing this. Because at the end of the day, for me anyway, I don't have a choice.
Yeah.
I have to be strong, right? I have to be positive because, I am not, life is lifing, like they say all the time. Right? So basically, I have to make that choice every single day when I wake up, and then to say, you know what? I am strong, I am powerful, I am light, I am love.
And I'm going to say something. I am kind to myself.
Yep.
Because a lot of times we're going through life events.
Yep.
Life is lifing, as we say.
Yeah.
But what I've realized, a lot of times we are our own barriers by saying, oh, I cannot do this. Oh, I am too weak. I am this. We are the one closing doors for ourselves. When you put that positive energy, when you say that I am good, I am great, you open doors for yourself.
Yeah.
You give yourself power to do anything that you want.
Yeah.
A lot of time, and I'm saying that to my kids, she's like, oh Ma, I don't think I can do that. I said, yes, you can. Absolutely. You know why? Because you are strong. And I said, look at yourself in the mirror. Say that I am strong. I have what it takes to do this.
Yep.
I am wonderful. I am a good person. So I do believe that our words have power.
Yep.
I do believe that our words have weight. And for me, when I said something is not going, oh, I cannot do it, I'm not good enough, everything starts falling apart.
Yourself down. Yep.
Everything starts falling apart. But when I put that positive cap on, and I said, I am, that word is really strong.
It is, like I said, you
It's
are
really
either
strong.
your best friend or your worst enemy. And
That
starts
so
with the
true.
words that you speak to yourself.
Oh yes,
And like I say all the time, when I wake up in the morning, and I, of course, I'm always in an attitude of gratitude, and I am thankful, right? Because I'm always say thank you, merci la vie. So I am thankful, I am happy. That doesn't mean the day is not hard. Right? That doesn't mean I don't face issues. That doesn't mean I can cry during the day, right?
Exactly.
But because my mind is already set in motion, right? That I am positive, I am happy. So that helps me navigate through. It helps clear or pave the world for me, pave the way for me to just sit with myself and say, okay, how am I going to handle this? Yes. Because if I wake up heavy, oh my goodness, this day, oh my goodness, and then so when life comes lifing and slaps me in the face,
because
I'll be down on my knees.
Yeah, exactly. And another I always say I am enough.
I am enough.
I always say that I am enough.
Yes,
because you know what?
Yes.
Like you were saying, it's not that life is not difficult. It's not that we don't have challenges. We do have challenges. But guess what? I am enough to overcome these challenges.
Listen to this, yes. I am enough to overcome the challenges. And listen to this. When they tell you you are too much, you tell them go find less.
Yes.
Because yes, I want to be too much.
Yes, I am too much. I agree. I am too much because he put a lot on me. I am too much. I will take that.
Yes.
I am too much. I'm sorry if I am too much. But
no,
guess what?
No. Don't be sorry.
like you said that I am too much. I know that I am too much
Thank
because
you.
He put a lot on me.
Hey.
He granted me with blessing.
Hey.
He granted me with strength. And when I am going through
This is who I am.
difficulties,
Yeah, this being too much.
I
this
have
is part
enough
of me.
power
It's
to
part
go
of
over
my
it.
DNA.
Yes.
So no shame in being too much. No shame in being too loud.
Exactly.
So basically, if you know anybody who has an issue, especially in relationship, I'm like, you know what? Go find less.
I am too much. I am great. I am capable. I am strong. I am enough. And those are words that have helped me these past 2 years. Because, like, for instance, the other day, my friend called me. She's like, "You always happy? You did it." No, I'm not always happy. But you know what? I have this life in front of me.
You made the choice.
I know I am. And when I said I am good enough. I am capable enough to overcome whatever come my way. And this is something like you may not even realize it. Like, for instance, even at work, when you going on, like when you take that defeated mind, you already put yourself as a loser.
Yeah.
But when you come confident, you give yourself, you prepare yourself, you putting those positive words out there. People will meet you there, and you have no other ways than winning what you're going through. And even if you're not winning, you learn something. You learn ways to do it better the next time.
Absolutely.
So that's why for me, I am determined to only put positive words, to only think that I am good, I am confident, I am capable, I am beautiful, I am strong. My beauty may not be your standard, that's okay,
Hey,
but I am beautiful.
That's what's up, yeah.
I am strong. That may not resonate with you, but it gives me strength to move forward.
Because this is you, and then there's only one you, and that's your power.
Yeah.
So you are everything that you tell yourself that you are.
Yeah.
Okay, so whether other people agree or not, that's their business. As long as you know this is who you are, you are all those lists that you make, and then you keep on moving because that's where your strength lies, in those things that you tell yourself, you keep on moving because it puts those wheels in motion for you. Sorry, it puts the wheels in motion for you so that you keep on moving and then doing what you need to be doing and get to where you need to go, right? And to your point, people will meet you exactly where you are, right? So people are not going to overdo it for you if you're not overdoing it for yourself.
Yep.
Right? So basically, all the people that are supposed to be, as you're telling yourself that I am enough, I am powerful, I am strong, I am doing, and then you're focusing on your goal. What is your end goal? And then you're telling yourself those things, and then you are pushing to get to those angles, and then people will start gravitating towards you to lead you the right people.
Yep.
The right people, because we're gonna meet both, right? The right and the wrong. But there's always a lesson, right?
Absolutely.
Because you're always going to get a lesson, whether you learn from, okay, that was a negative situation, but I'm learning from it. So that's building me.
Exactly.
It's building me up.
Exactly.
Right. So I am choosing to learn from this situation so that it's not gonna bring me down. So I'm going to build up from it, right? And then I posted about something the other day on TikTok. It's like you grow from love, and then that was a choice that I made for myself. Instead of growing from wounds, but I have decided, I am growing from love.
I like that.
I based my, whatever experience that I went through. I took it as a learning experience. And then allow myself to grow from love instead of growing from wounds, because at the end of the day, I am love, I am light.
Love always wins.
Love wins.
And
listen,
like I said, we have our moments, and I said it's okay to cry. It's okay to sit down and reflect. What's the end goal? What are you doing? What are you going to do?
Yeah.
Remember that you are enough. That word I am for me was the game changer when I was going through my divorce, because a lot of times I'm like, how am I going to do it? And I'm like, yes, you can do it. You have done it before,
yes,
so you are strong
Yep.
enough to do it, right? There are days that you don't see, but say, I am. I know what I'm going to do. I am going there. I am going to make it. I am going to make it. and I keep pushing myself.
Yeah.
By saying that, that gives me strength to push,
It
to
does.
keep moving forward.
Yeah, and then that's why I said earlier, it doesn't mean that the days or not you don't have hard days, right? But because you already have that mindset, all right, it sets the will in motion
Yeah.
for you. It helps you navigate through them. You know, you're still gonna have some really hard times, right? But your mind is already into that successful mode, right?
Absolutely.
So I'm going to make the best of that day.
Absolutely.
I'm going to make the
Absolutely.
best of every moment because at the end of the day, it's only the moment that you have.
Absolutely.
So you have to make the best of it, whether it's a hard day or not. You
Yeah.
know, but take the learning part of it, and then keep on moving.
Keep on moving. I am love. I am capable. I am enough. And as you were saying, love always wins. Because when I said I am love, I feel like that can translate to someone else. I will
Absolutely.
come to you. I will smile.
It's
I
a
know that
domino
I am
effect.
love.
It is a
And
domino
you know
effect,
what?
yeah.
You're going to receive it, and you're going to give it back to me.
It is a domino
So
effect.
this is why you have to be mindful of how you talk to yourself. You have to be mindful of the words that you're putting out there, because I do believe words have effect.
You do,
And-
100%.
And when you say good things about yourself, I do believe good things will happen to you.
Because you are claiming it.
I am.
Because once you start speaking it, then you start living it.
I am.
Because again, for me, I remember reading years ago, words become action, right? So basically the fact that you're speaking those words, then you start living,
Let's speak those
Yes.
words out. Let's speak those words. And you know something also, like sometimes I'm reflecting, like I've been looking at these past 2 years, and I'm like, how did you do that? And I feel like it's my attitude that has helped me. Like the way I speak to myself, the way I see myself. I never ever talk down about myself, even in my worst moment. I never say, oh, I deserve the bad thing. I said, okay, it didn't happen to me. I didn't get that, but I know I deserve more. And by
Absolutely.
saying that, I feel like you're just claiming blessing.
Yes, and then
You
because
just claim
we all
blessing.
deserve more at the end of
Yep,
the day, right? So
yep.
we have to believe in it, and then we have to give ourselves grace as we go through those
Yeah.
bad moments.
Yeah.
Because when you give yourself grace, you allow yourself to receive blessings. You allow yourself to stay still and process everything, right? And then say, okay, this doesn't work for me, but this is what I'm doing. I'm not gonna let those situations bring me down. I'm not gonna let, I wanted to do A, but I did not achieve A, or A happened to me that was very, hurtful or things like that. But let me take what I want from A and then keep on going.
And then
Yeah.
go to
And then
another
build it.
route.
Yeah.
And
There's
you
always
will,
options.
and as you go into
There's
another
always
route,
options, yeah.
take time to enjoy what you see around you. Take time to get just don't go through the route. Okay, learn from it, grow from it, and
Embrace.
make it work for you. And as you are watching us now, we don't have it all. We have ups, we have downs, just like you. But what we have learned to do is talk good about ourselves, embracing ourselves.
Yeah.
Talk positive about ourselves, right?
Absolutely.
Saying, I am good. I am
All the
great.
time.
Yeah.
All the
Bringing,
time.
claiming all the blessing. Because if you don't love yourself, no one can love you. If you don't believe in yourself, no one will believe in you. So you have to talk positively about yourself. You have to bring those positive words, put them out there so they can come back to you.
Absolutely. And that's why I said people will meet you exactly where you meet yourself.
Absolutely.
It's either you set the bar high, and that's why I said the other day, I'm not coming down from that shelf from nobody.
Yeah.
Based on my experience right now, shoot, I'm staying on top of that shelf.
Yeah.
So if you want to come to me, you're gonna have to climb.
We will hold hands and we will climb up together, right? To admire. Yeah, I agree with you. I agree with you. Like for me, I will continue to be positive. I will continue to be kind about myself. And you know what? I will learn in the way. Like if it's not working as you say, hey, that's a lesson learned. That doesn't necessarily mean that I'm not good enough.
Yeah.
I'm just learning new ways.
Absolutely.
I'm just learning new ways.
Yeah.
We are good.
We are here to
strong.
learn.
We are kind.
My glass is
We are
empty,
beautiful. And so are you.
Yes.
So remember, Be kind to yourself.
And give yourself grace.
Give yourself grace, and never, never doubt yourself, because you know what? You are strong. You are kind. You are beautiful.
You are powerful.
Importantly, you are enough. So let that beauty shine, and we will talk next time.
And remember also, there's only one you.
Only one you.
And that's your power.
That's your
Don't
power.
ever forget that.
I am great. I'll see you next time.
My glass is empty, but see you next
Cheers.
time.